Hello. Today we are going to say these letters with your English voice. A. The big A, capital A, or uppercase A. Lowercase a, small a, lowercase a. A sounds like a for apple. Next, B, capital or uppercase B, lowercase b. B sounds like b for ball. C sounds like cup. D sounds like D. D for duck. It's cute. E sounds like E. E for egg. F sounds like fingers. G grapes. H heart. I sounds like ice. J juice. K key. L lemon. M mouth. Excellent job. Well done. Goodbye.